Alright, so in today's video, I'm asking myself, did I really save money getting Sisterlocked? Hey guys, this is Lena with Lena's Lovely Locks. If this is not your first time, welcome back. But if it is your first time, thanks so much for stopping by. So I'm part of this Facebook group and I was scrolling through it and I came upon a post that read, I have been locked for over 5 years. I just realized that the cost of maintenance has not saved me any money. Just think about what you paid for the installation and maintenance. Just saying. And that got me to thinking, like, did I really save money getting Sisterlocked? Now, if you see my video about how much I paid during the first year of being Sisterlocked, you'll know that I spent about $2,100 during that year. And that also included the installation, the reties, the products that I used, and any styles that I did or, paid for that year. And like I said, it came up to over $2,000. And it got me thinking, like, did I ever spend $2,000 on my hair in 1 year when I was a loose natural? So during my loose natural years, I didn't go to the hair salon. I wasn't the one who would get my hair done at the salon every 2 weeks. I didn't buy wigs. I didn't buy weaves. If I did ever get a sew-in, it was for a special occasion. I think once at my sister's wedding, which was back in 2009. So I don't wear any of that. I do my own hair. So the cost of getting my hair done was free, but I did buy products. I bought all kind of Camille Rose and I bought all of the Jackie's curls, all those things that, help me to get, the curly look, the moisturized look. I bought it. But I'm not saying that I spent $2,000 in 1 year on just products. I know I didn't. So I'm asking you guys, do you guys feel that you save money getting locked up versus being a loose natural? I'm going to go ahead and say no, I don't think I save money. I think I'm spending more money actually getting my hair retied. And I know I've told you guys before that I want to start retying my own head to save money, but I just don't have the patience or the will to retie my whole head. I just cannot do it. So I believe that me getting locked up saved me a lot of time because I did wash my hair every week. I did, go through the products and things like that. It was time consuming. It took a whole day for wash day, and I didn't like that. Versus, a few hours every 6 weeks to get a retie. So I'm not saying that I save money on the money part, but I save time. And time is money, right? Am I right? So I am saying that I did, save a lot of time. But I want to go and read a couple of these posts that some ladies were saying versus whether they save money or not. So someone said that I definitely save money. The salon visits were not only more frequent and more costly, but I was in there all day. My locks not only saved me money, it saved me time. Not to mention the freedom of not being a slave to wigs and weaves is noteworthy in itself. The confidence and self-love I gained from falling in love with the real me and my real hair is priceless. Yes, I felt that. I am in total agreement with this young lady here. This is it. Again, I didn't save money, but I saved time, and time is money. Another person posted that I saved a lot of money and time, but it's definitely because I self-retie. I don't retie, so that's where she's saving her money at. And someone also said that for this reason, I definitely plan on doing self-reties after a year or so. Another person said that I think it's different for everyone. I will say I've saved time and possibly money because I was changing hairstyles very frequently before locks. I do enjoy the get up and go aspect. That's priceless for me. It's just a normal part of the budget for me and my daughter at this point. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of posts, just put up a couple of posts here of what some women were saying regarding whether they saved money or not. But again, with me, I didn't save any money. I know I didn't, but I did save time. If you guys want to go ahead and comment down below, did you guys save money getting, Sisterlocked or locked up? Did you save time? What did you save? Did you save anything? Alright guys, let's go ahead and recap. If you are the type of loose natural that went into the salon to get your hair done every 2 weeks, or you got, you know, the braids in your hair, or the wigs or the weaves, then you definitely probably save money. But if you were a lazy loose natural like myself and you did it all by yourself, you probably are spending more money, but you're saving time. So which is more important to you guys, saving money or saving time? Okay, it just depends on what you're looking for, I believe. All right, so that is it for today. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me on this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.